Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a very quick makeup look that I usually go to when I have very limited time to put on makeup. I've been testing this Cadbursky vitamin C cream lately, and then I usually just follow it up with some type of eye cream. Currently, I'm using the Montmasky Eye Serum. It's very lightweight actually and works well under makeup. And as for the concealer, this is the L'Oreal True Match. It's wonderful if you're looking for a medium coverage or light to medium. It also has a very natural looking finish, almost like flattering. Doesn't sit in your fine lines, doesn't exaggerate them. So that's one of the few concealers that I absolutely love and use on a daily basis. This is literally my third tube. I usually don't use any foundation anymore, so what I do is dab some of that concealer on any of the areas that need a little extra coverage, and then just use whatever I have left on my beauty sponge for the rest of my face. Then I'm taking the LA Girl Nudist palette and a nice fluffy eyeshadow brush and putting that lightest nude color, the first color, all over my lid and a little bit under to set the concealer. That color is actually pretty perfect for that. Next, I'm just taking a eyeshadow brush and putting that third color on the top from the same palette all over my lid. Honestly, you can use any champagne-y shimmer color. That will work as well. And then I'm taking a black eyeliner. This one is by Lord & Berry. Honestly, any black pencil liner will work for this. I stopped purchasing makeup too much anymore, so honestly, this is the only one I had laying around. I got it in one of the subscription boxes a while back, and I'm surprised that it still works pretty well. Lately, I've been really liking to use black eyeliner. I remember I used to always be afraid of them, thinking that they didn't look good on me because I have hooded eyelids and they're taking up so much space and they're like super bold. But I realized that if I keep it nice and close to my lashes, it's actually going to look pretty nice and I can totally get away with having an eyeliner in black color. Next, I'm just curling my eyelashes. I actually recently stopped doing that because I realized that it damages my lashes and I wanted to regrow them. And using this Lash Paradise mascara by L'Oreal, I absolutely love this mascara. There's so many great drugstore mascaras that are on the market right now, and I mean, one is better than the other. I honestly can't even make up my mind anymore which one I like better. That's what the first coat looks like, but I usually go for 2 or 3 depending on the mascara. Now, I do have multiple mascara reviews on my YouTube channel, so go ahead and check them out if you're interested. Now, what mascaras do you guys use? I love the ones that are not too wet or too dry and the ones that have nice lash separation, such as this one, as you can see. And now I'm applying my second coat and you will see how much it actually adds to my length and volume. I absolutely love this mascara. I think it works so well and does a good job. It also stays pretty good throughout a day without giving me the raccoon eyes, which I absolutely hate. I remember being so embarrassed the one day because I actually went to work applying this new mascara that I haven't tried before, ended up bleeding under my eyes and basically giving me like 2 black circles or like, you know, just stains under my eyes, and nobody told me about it. So I was just walking around like that for most of the day until I saw myself in the mirror. Now this is a Wet n Wild mascara. It's a waterproof because for some reason the best of the mascaras are not able to stay on completely on my lower lashes, and it ends up giving me like dark stains under my eyes. Next, I'm using my Kiko Milano blush in Ocean Feet and just applying it gently with Real Techniques blush brush, just dabbing it on until I'm satisfied with the pigmentation. And then I started actually putting a little bit on the bridge of my nose as well, because I noticed that the natural blush, you know, when I'm blushing, my nose does get a little bit red. Now, since I'm going for a more minimal look, I haven't tried to do like anything too much or too aggressive. And now I'm just using the IT Cosmetics brow pencil. I hope that you can still buy it. I'm not sure though. It's been years since I've had that pencil, and honestly it still works, which is pretty impressive. And I love it because it gives the most natural look to the eyebrows rather than like having too much pigment. To finish this look off, I'm using just a little bit of Fenty Beauty Diamond Highlighter. It's absolutely gorgeous. And that completes today's look. Thank you for watching.